you copy? They're right behind me. I'm heading east on 7. I need that drop point cleared now. Don't lose me again. I can't hold them off much longer.
Why pay for expensive perfume when you can get the same fragrance and longevity as the original perfume for a fraction of the price from Open Water Perfumes?
Guys, I've got a lion following me. I don't know if I'll survive. Please help Mel. Oh God.
They're everywhere. I haven't seen another survivor in days. I'm not dying today. I like the rest of them. If anyone finds this, tell them I fought.
All the videos you have seen right now, I have created the Sora 2. So right now Sora 2 is trending, but there's the limit. You can only access it with the invite code, or there's also the limit the videos you can create. But in my channel I am getting so many questions how I am using the Sora 2 unlimited without any limit and at the extreme. So in this video I am going to show you how I am using that and gives you my prompts library I am using the ChatGPT to generate such high quality prompts. So without wasting any more time, let me show you the secret. So I am using the Higgsfield, and here we have the Sora 2 without any invite code and the unlimited access. All you have to just select the Sora 2, the general use, or if you have the products you can also select them, and after that you have to add the prompt and it is automatically going to generate the videos for you. I have used the same strategy and I am creating and generating the videos with the Sora 2 using the Higgsfield. So here's the some of the videos I have created and you have watched while starting the video. So right now in front of you I am going to use the Sora 2, but here's the catch. Along with the Sora 2, what I found here, we have the other features as well. Like I can just also create the videos with this sketch. I can also create the videos with sound quality, with amazing effects, all these things here. Okay, and if you want to find out what are the other stuff, I suggest go to the Higgsfield. Here you will find out all the feature sections for the images, videos. In the images and video I have found out there's also the others AI models along with the Sora 2 I can use. For example, there's also the VO 3.1 access available. So this is really astonishing what I can see in the Higgsfield. So first let's go to the ChatGPT and I'm going to give you some of the prompts library in the description. Just get the file, that is the absolutely free bonuses I am giving you. You can find in the description, and there you will find all these prompts. So just upload these prompts on the ChatGPT, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply copy this thing. For example, what you have to do, for I have created a prompt here. Okay, so you have to follow that stuff. Like now create a new prompt, okay, based on, then you have to enter your scene, whatever the scene you want to generate, and if you have any idea. So for example, I'm going to go with a jungle adventure. So let me go to the jungle adventure. Okay, so this is following the all the things. Okay, so this is the example I'm giving you. You can see the prompt, the realistic cinematic trailer, short video, the suddenly dialogue style, everything you will find it here, and my prompt will start working out. Okay, so I'm going to copy the prompt here. You can see I have copied. There's also the dialogue, the style, everything will be the under this prompt. Okay, now I will go with the Higgsfield. Here I have to go to the Sora 2 or I have to go to the edit. So in the video I have to go to this Sora 2 option, simply click here, and now you can just find here the prompt section. In the general, if you want to change the few things, like in this Sora 2 we have also the along with the VO 3.1, Kling, Van 2.5, all the AI video models available. If you want to change, you can change it here, but in this video I want to show you the Sora 2 unlimited access. So without any invitation code I am using it. So make sure you hit the like button to exploring this secret with you guys here. Okay, then after that in the prompt section you have to simply paste your prompt that you have generated with the ChatGPT, and after that make sure the model Sora 2 is selected. Here you can change the duration, the aspect ratio. I will go with this one, that is the 9:16, the short format, and there's also the unlimited mode available, so you can expand the video as much as you want, but this will cost you more credits in the Higgsfield. So I'm just going to create the 12-second video, so I'm just making it disabled, but you can also enable it. So right now it is going to cost me this credits, super low and the affordable. Simply click here on the generate, and now it will be in the queue here to generating the video for you. So right now Sora 2 is trending, and it can take some time for you to getting the videos. Till then you have to patience and wait for that. So once the video will live, I will show you the results. So while the video is generating, I want to explore the other features and share with you guys. So let's go to the Sora here, and after that if I go to the explore, here you can explore just few amazing features. Like first of all, I have showed you that there's the unlimited VO 3.1 access you can get. If you have the sketch abilities and want to turn that sketch into a video, there's also this section and the feature available. So if you want me to explore more Sora features and want to create more tutorials along with this feature, just let me know in the comments that you want Higgsfield more videos and the step-by-step tutorials. I will create more videos on the future here. Okay, so then if I go to the image section, we have the image creation. We have to draw to edit. So many sections available for the image and the video, while my favorite one is this video section, because here I can just find out all the popular AI models along with the Sora 2 VO 3.1. We have also the sketch to video, draw to video, and the lip sync studio. So this is makes amazing. So right now let's see if my video is generated. Now it's still in the process. I don't know how much still it is going to take, but in my experience I have found it within under 2 or 3 minutes video will be done here. So right now it is generating, and let me show you the videos I have created. So although I have already showed you while starting this video, but still you can see this is the video, apocalypse video. I have also created a brand product video with the AI avatar for a brand here. So let me this video play and show you the amazing video here. I'm really love this thing because I have just the product images here. If I show you, this is the product image here I have uploaded on the Higgsfield, and given my prompt, this is the video result I got it here. So that's what I loved about the Higgsfield, getting you all the trending or the latest AI models in the single platform. So this the good thing what I liked here most is its assist ability. Okay, somehow you don't know how to get started, you have to just go to the assist here. You have to simply give your idea or send a message with a simple text. It is going to give you the detailed prompt that we have just created in the ChatGPT platform here. There's also the integration available with the ChatGPT mini, and you can change with the other ChatGPT models. So you don't have to go to the ChatGPT for the premium feature. That is the extra thing I have showed you and shared with you guys. So make sure hit this like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated here. Now let's see if my video is generated or not. I am going to Sora here and still in this progress, so I'm going to wait a little bit more, and I'm going to just cut and okay, so while talking my video is generated, and you can see, let me play the video here.
To ruin, something's alive down here.
See, this is the live results I have showed you. Now what I can do, I can enhance its quality here, and my video quality will be the more enhanced. And if I have enabled this unlimited mode, I can expand this video to generate more lengthy or the longer. Okay, so that's all for I want to talk about. If you want to explore the Higgsfield along with this Sora 2 unlimited access, the link will be in the description. Plus I am also giving out my free prompts library here. All you have to just copy and paste this prompt on your ChatGPT chat, and after that, learning or analyzing these prompts, you can generate yourself new prompts with the new stories here. So you can find all the stuffs in the description. That's all. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.